Topic is topological sorting. For topological sorting, first we find incoming degree of vertices. Like for one node, no incoming edges are. So its incoming degree is 0. For second node, one incoming edges are. So its incoming degree is 1. For 4, incoming degree is 2. For node 3, incoming edges are 2. And for fifth node, incoming edges is 1. Then delete node which incoming degree is 0. Here incoming degree is 0 is for node 1. So delete it. So our remaining graph is 2, 4, 3, 5. Deleted vertices are 1. These are deleted. So check incoming degree for remaining graph. For these, incoming degree is 0. For node 4, incoming degree is 1. For node 3, incoming degree is 2. And for node 5, incoming degree is 1. Again delete in which has incoming degree 0. So delete it and write here. So remaining graph is 3, 4 and 5. The edges are deleted. So check incoming degree for 3 is 1, for 5 is 1 and for 4 0. Delete node 4 because it has 0 incoming degree. So delete it and write here 1, 2 and 4. Remaining graph is 3 and 5. They all have 0 degree, 0 incoming degree. So our topological sorting is 1, 2, 4. First delete 3 node, 3 and 5. Or other is 1, 2, 4. If we first delete 5th node, then 5 and then delete 3rd. Check topological sorting for this graph. First we find out incoming degree of each node. For A node, incoming degree is 0. For B node, incoming degree is 3. For C node, incoming degree is 0. And for D node, incoming degree is 2. Here two nodes have 0 degree. So we define case 1 and case 2. First we deleted A node. So remaining graph is this edge and this edge is deleted. B, C and D. Okay. Find incoming degree for D 1, for C 0, 2. So delete C node. Then these edges are deleted. It has 1 incoming degree and D has 0. So delete D and then B. So our one topological sorting is A, C, D, B. For case 2, we first deleted C node. So remaining graph is A, B, D. C is deleted. Okay, check incoming degree for all node. For A 0, for B 2 and for D 1. Then deleted 0 incoming degree. So A will be deleted. Remaining graph is B and D. These vertices, these edges are deleted. 0 incoming degree and B has 1 incoming degree. So first delete D and then B. So C A D B is topological sorting for this graph.